How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, restart your router. Restarting the router can rule out any possibility of a minor glitch on your router. In addition, restarting your router will also reconnect your PC to your Wi Fi network, which can help fix minor connection problems between your router and your computer. Now, after you do so, if Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting Windows 11, you can run this troubleshooter to check whether the Wi-Fi adapter works normally. Go to the settings, then tap on the system, then tap on the troubleshoot. Inside troubleshoot, tap on the other troubleshooters and find network adapter and click run. On the network adapter windows, select Wi-Fi to diagnose. If the troubleshooter does not find errors, you can also run the internet connections troubleshooters. Now, lastly, restart the WLAN autoconfig service. This service is responsible for providing logic to your PC to connect on your wireless networks. If this service is not working correctly or has stopped working, the Windows 11 Wi-Fi disconnecting issue may happen. Open the Services app and find the WLAN autoconfig and right-click it. Now choose Start to restart to enable it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.